Good day viewers, welcome to Hero Maths, and in this video we are still on arithmetic progression, mostly known as AP. So the question here is, find the AP whose 7th and the 51st terms are -3 and -36. So let us get down to work. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, please ensure to subscribe. Though you have watched before but you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. It will be very useful and helpful to you. Let us go down to work. Solution. We have known that the formula for arithmetic progression is given as, the formula is t10 is equal to a plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket d, where a is equal to first 10, n equal to number of tens, and then d equal to common difference. So now this is the formula, general formula for arithmetic progression. So now the question says, find the AP whose 7th and 51st terms are -13 and -355. So taking this formula, we have t, they say which tenth, the 7th tenth, then t7 will be equal to a plus open bracket, what is it, the number of tens, the number of tens are, this is 7, so that is 7 minus 1 in place of this n. We know the n is the number of 10, close bracket, d is equal to, they say that is equal to what, -3. This say the meaning of that, this implies that they say t7 is equal to -3. So we have the same thing, this, since this is equal to this, and then will be equal to that, just like they say a is equal to b is equal to c, that can be written as b equal to a equal to c, still the same thing. So that is the same thing here, so -3. Now we forget about this, let us bring this down. A plus 7 minus 1 will give us 6, d is equal to -3. That's what we have there. Now let us open this bracket, that will give us a plus 6d is equal to -3. Then it's equation 1. So now go back to the question again. They say another 10, 51st 10, that one is equal to -355. So you can write this as t51 is equal to a plus, the number in that tens are what, 51, so 51 minus 1 as the formula shows. You look at close bracket, d is equal to, they say is equal to what, that's 355, and forget about this one, the same way we did that side. So we have a plus open bracket 51 minus 1 will give us 50, close bracket, d is equal to this minus 355. So a plus, when we open this bracket we have 50d is equal to -355, and this equation 2. Now let us bring the two equations together and solve it simultaneously, so we can have it. Now we have a plus 6d is equal to -3, equation 1, this one. Then we have a plus 50d is equal to -355, we call this equation 2, this one. These are the equations. So solving this simultaneously, It is very simple, whether using elimination method or substitution method, but let us just use elimination method because the elimination method will be very fast than the substitution method. Now, in this case, you know that there is no coefficient here. The coefficient is 1. The coefficient here is also 1. So there's no need doing the multiplication. Just say subtract equation 1 from equation 2. That implies equation that implies that equation 2 minus equation 1, that will be the first tense, which is the a minus a plus this one's 50d minus 6d. This one's is equal to, now time for this one, minus 355 minus the minus we are subtracting, which is from here, open bracket, minus 3, the one from the minus 3, that is it. So a minus a, they will all go, we are left with nothing there. Then 50d minus 6d, that will give us 44d, which is equal to minus 355 minus times minus will give us plus 3. Minus times minus will give us plus 3. So minus 355 plus 3, that will give us minus 352. If you point down the calculator, that is what you are going to get. So let us go on. Here we divide both sides by the coefficient of d to have the value of d. By doing that is 44d divided by 44. 44 is the coefficient of this, is equal to minus 352 divided by 44. We divide both sides by the coefficient of d. So this will go with this. We have d is equal to minus 352 divided by 44. Just punch our calculator. Or the answer is minus 8. That is the value for d. Now let us come above to get an equation, either equation 1 or 2, to substitute in and get the value of a. Substitute in the value of d to get the value of a. So let us pick equation 1, which is a plus 6d, which is equal to minus 3, right? Let us see. Well, okay, we're very right. So now here, let us put in the value of d. This will be a plus 6 open bracket minus 8 close is equal to minus 3. So now a positive 6 times negative 8, that will give us negative 48, which is equal to 3. Let's divide this paper and complete the equation here. That will give us 48. Then bringing it up, we have a minus 48 is equal to 3. So let us do collection of like terms. By doing so, we have a is equal to 48 will be going to the other side. So since it is negative here, it will turn to positive to the other side. So that will be 3. Okay, sorry, this is minus 3 from here, you understand, and here too is minus 3. So that will be 48 is crossing, now is turning to positive, minus 3. Then a will be equal to 45. That is the value of that. But the question says finds the AP on 7th and 51st 10 are minus 3 and minus 355. That is negative 355. Well, now we have just find the first 10, which is a, and then the number of tens, and then the common difference, which is d. So now we have to find the AP. We know that in a series of numbers If we have 2, we have 4, we have 6, we have 8. The common difference is the second term minus the first term, or this term minus this one. The common difference between 2 and 4 is the same thing as here, the same thing as here. So as we have our first term to be this and our common difference to be minus 8, that means our first term is 45, right? The AP will be equal to 45 is our first term. Now the next will be 45 plus minus 8, since minus 8 is the common difference. So 85 will add the common difference to have the second term. That will be 45 plus open bracket minus 8, and that will give us positive times minus will give us minus. So that implies that 45 minus 8, it will give us 37. So the next term will be 37. And the same thing, to get the other 10, you add this by minus 8. That is 37 plus open bracket minus 8. That will give us what? That will give us 29. So the next 10 is 29. If you continue doing like that, you have 29, then you have 21, you will have 13, and then you will have 5. This to infinity. This is the series of this AP. So thanks for watching this video. Before you go, ensure to subscribe if you have not subscribed, like, comment, and hit the notification bell for a new video alert. Thanks for watching once again.